hasn't even come out yet. It is still like dark outside. Hi, sisters! It is so early in the morning. Good morning, everybody. What is up? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing the That Girl morning routine. I wanted to snooze my alarm so many times, but I'm awake. I am up. I'm going to post a picture, or I'm going to post a screenshot of like everything that I need to do this morning. The first thing we need to do is brush my teeth. Okay, step 1 is done. Now, step 2 is to drink water. So I'm gonna go back into my bedroom and drink some water from my Stanley. Okay, obviously, I've brushed my teeth. Now, the next step is to drink water. It still feels so early, and I still feel like I'm not even awake yet. But brushing my teeth did help to wake me up just a little bit. Okay. Water has been drinking, and so now we have to open up our curtains. I don't know why, because it's literally pitch black outside, but following the routine. Okay, I put on a sweatshirt because I'm a little bit cold. It's a little bit cold in here, but we open up the curtains. I guess it would be more aesthetic if there was light outside, but there's not. So we're working with what we got. So let's move on to the next thing. Now we gotta make our bed, which sucks because I really don't want to get out of our bed. Successfully completed the bed making. Very cute. The next step on this list is to meditate. I'm not a really big meditator, but we're gonna try it today. Maybe I'll like it. I'm gonna watch this 10-minute guide to meditation to clear your mind and start new positive habits by Boho Beautiful Yoga. And let's meditate. Right now I have to do skincare. And then I have to exercise with, what? Exercise? Exercise. And that's it. I'm not going outside, so I'm not putting on a sunscreen. Okay, now I'm gonna have a breakfast, or a healthier breakfast. I need to go grocery shopping, so I think I'm probably gonna have a bagel with some cream cheese. I feel like that's pretty balanced in a way, but I think that's what we're gonna have. So let's go make some bagels. Okay, so before I go out and I make breakfast, I have been following up on Hurricane Helene. It's currently going through, I think, Georgia right now. My heart just goes out to all of those people that are currently going through Hurricane Helene right now. I'm praying that everybody gets out safe and everybody's safe throughout all this. But yeah, my thoughts and my prayers just go out to everybody who's been affected by this hurricane, and I am so sorry, and I hope that everybody made it out all well. Yeah. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go get some breakfast now. We got some light outside now. It is really gloomy, which is to be expected from, you know, everything. Okay, I'm eating in my bed right now because I'm still watching the news. But I have strawberry cream cheese and just plain bagels, and I'm gonna eat up my bagels.
Reports they do have a team of reporters that are covering the storm and the aftermath from each and every angle.
Just like twigs, that's causing a lot of road closures there.
The water is receding, thankfully, but
okay, it is currently 7:35 a.m. The next step we need to do in this Black Girl morning routine is workout. I am going to go on a little run on my little walking pad, but first I need to change out of these clothes. I am now starting to get very hot. Get my shoes. It's time to shower. I smell so bad. Okay, this is the outfit. We just have a black t-shirt and these like quilt type pants. I'm just wearing my socks. Basic, but cute. Okay, so we're journaling now. To be honest, I don't know what to journal about because I don't journal, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, the next step would technically be to make a coffee, but I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I think I'm gonna skip that and go right over to reading. And the book I'm gonna be reading today is Twisted Hate. I have been trying to get through this book for such a long time. I'm like halfway done, but I feel like I don't have enough time on my hands to read all the time, so I'm gonna take advantage of this time that I'm going to read. I am on chapter 27, and I'm going to stop here. I'm not gonna stop the book here, but I am gonna end the book. Okay, I finished another chapter, which is great. It was a good chapter. It was an interesting chapter. I'm not gonna go into too much detail because that book is you should just read it. About the book is definitely something. That is the end of this morning routine, which is crazy. However, it is like 9 o'clock, and so this morning routine in total took me 3 hours. I mean, it was nice. I got my workout done early, which was great. I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week.